Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you. Listen, this is part 2 from part 1 yesterday's series of Strength versus Wisdom. If you didn't catch part 1, it's very easy just to jump back on there from yesterday, Wednesday, and catch it, and then you'll be all caught up. Because where we ended was pride. Ouch, I hate that word, and most people do, but that's where we ended, and it's a very important part of Strength versus Wisdom, so that's where we're going to start today. Listen, we're going to start with Proverbs 16:18, where it says, pride comes before the fall. But I love the way the Message says it, and it says, first pride, then the crash. The bigger the ego, the harder the fall. I love the way it says it, because it's true. It's a very hard fall when we act like we can do everything on our own strength. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about today when we take everything on our own. You know, and it's easy for us to think that we can, because here's the deal. We're very capable people. So we see something that we know that we can tackle, and we think, I know I can do this. I think I can do this on my own. And so we start doing it on our own, and one thing leads to another, and there we've done it on our own strength, or in our own strength. And so that's how it first starts. But here's the deal. There is a God, and you and I are not it. But what happens in essence, and this is where pride comes in, is we start acting as our own God. Oh, that is such a dangerous place and a dangerous role for us to be in. Because as I said, there is a God and we're not it. And so that's where the strength versus wisdom, and strength fails us every time, comes in. And we must realize that wisdom tells us to go to God and rely on His strength and not our own. You know, Proverbs 1:7 says, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction. We don't want to be a fool. We want to continue to grow throughout our lifetime. And you know, in our culture today, knowledge is plentiful. I've got one word for you: Google. You can Google anything for knowledge, but wisdom is very, very scarce. And one of the reasons I believe personally that wisdom is scarce is because you can't microwave it. And we want everything to be microwaved. We want to microwave maturity. We want to microwave wisdom, and it cannot be done. There are no shortcuts to that. It is cultivated and grown, and I'm so glad that it is, because with it comes experience. And as we experience life, we grow, if we allow growth to happen. And it's a beautiful thing. So strength versus wisdom. Wisdom would tell us to cultivate that wisdom and to get closer and to rely on God's strength. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. His strength is to rely on Him and not our own. Don't act as our own God. You'll have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye-bye.